Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your trusted hub for automotive insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about revivals in Indian automotive history, the 2025 Premier Padmini. A name that once defined urban Indian roads is ready to make a stylish comeback, combining nostalgia with future-ready design. The Padmini legacy. The original Premier Padmini was more than just a car. It was a symbol of elegance, reliability, and middle-class pride. Produced from the 1960s to the late 1990s, it became a staple in Indian households and a cultural icon in cities like Mumbai. Its simple yet charming look, durable performance, and affordability made it one of India's most loved cars. Now, in 2025, it returns not just as a tribute to the past, but as a bold step into the future. Design, heritage meets modernity. The 2025 Premier Padmini holds on to its classic DNA, boxy proportions, a wide chrome grille, and circular headlamps. But Premier Auto has added a modern twist. Expect LED DRLs, sculpted bumpers, flush door handles, and stylish alloy wheels. The car strikes the perfect balance between retro flair and contemporary appeal, making it instantly recognizable yet entirely fresh. Engine options and performance. This isn't the old Padmini under the hood. The 2025 version offers two powertrain choices. First, a 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine delivering around 110 horsepower, built for smooth city driving. Second, and more exciting, an all-electric variant featuring a 35 kilowatt-hour battery with up to 300 kilometers of real-world range. Smooth acceleration, low running costs, and a silent ride, the electric Padmini could be a game-changer in urban mobility. Interior and features. Inside, the new Padmini is a world apart from its ancestor. It sports a retro-themed cabin with modern upgrades, a large infotainment screen, wireless smartphone connectivity, digital instrument cluster, and ambient lighting. The upholstery features premium materials, and the layout stays true to the classic look with a stylish dashboard design. With keyless entry, climate control, and voice commands, the Padmini is ready for 2025 and beyond. Safety and technology. Safety, once a weak point of the original, is now a top priority. The 2025 Padmini includes 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and optional ADAS features. Built on a high-strength platform, it's designed to meet modern safety norms and offer peace of mind in daily driving. Launch and expected pricing. Premier Auto is expected to launch the new Padmini in late 2025. Estimated pricing starts around 9 Indian rupees lakh for the petrol version, while the electric variant may be priced closer to 13 Indian rupees lakh. It will compete with compact crossovers and EVs like the Tata Punch EV and Maruti Fronx, but its nostalgic value and unique styling give it an edge. Closing thoughts. The 2025 Premier Padmini is more than just a car launch. It's a revival of an emotion. For those who grew up with the original or heard stories